Craving a good night's sleep? Need a comforter for all seasons? Tired of changing duvet covers? Bothered by dust mites? Say goodbye to all these. Here's the perfect solution for you. ESCURA, a 33-degree thermoregulating washable comforter. ESCURA's 5-layer construction maintains the temperature around the ideal 33 degrees Celsius. The plant-derived PCM fiber is the key to absorbing and releasing heat. Tests show outstanding temperature regulating capability. Regardless of the season, ESCURA has got you covered. With a dual-sided design, just flip it over and you're set for next season. Forget changing duvet covers. Natural cellulose fibers are so soothing and soft to the skin, you'll fall asleep instantly. The woven design allows for machine washing. Dust off the burden of dust mites. Be worry-free all year long. Meet ESCURA, a 33-degree thermoregulating washable comforter. ESCURA. But better watch it, because now you're gonna oversleep.